OMG. Becky, look at her butt. I mean, it's just out there. Really? Yeah, the milk is so good.